Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, Garden and Grow with K&T. I am T and we are representing Georgia's Zone 8A. And today we are talking about our first potato harvest ever. Now what I have in front of me is a small sampling of what we grew. We've actually been eating off these now for about a week. But our harvest wasn't really big. This was our first attempt at growing potatoes, and we grew them in straw. I think it's called the Ruth Stout method. We tried it. Wasn't very successful, but we're happy that we actually grew something. And like I said, it may be a small harvest, but potatoes are delicious. Of course, we planted these in the first week of April, I believe it was, and we harvested them on the 29th of July. All right, so we hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to our channel, like the videos, and please share them. And we'll see you next time. On yesterday.
Yes,
now look
Lord.
at it.
Look at it.
Looks so good.
All up on the grill. Look at that. Look at that.
Breakfast, anyone?
Good morning.